In order to remove the upper intake manifold, we'll have to remove this crankcase vent tube to get this air cleaner outlet pipe out of the way. To get this out of the way, push this tab over, lift up. Then for this one, also push the tab over, pull out. For this part, we need to loosen up 2 hose clamps. And we can wiggle it out of place. Move it out of the way. In order to remove the upper intake manifold, we have 3 hoses to disconnect, a bolt to remove, 2 electrical connections to disconnect, one here, one hidden back here, an electrical tie down to remove, and 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press the tab in to remove. To remove the throttle body electrical connection, pull up on this red tab and then press in on the black middle. The rest are shorter. There's an electrical connection back there that we have to get off. There it is. There's a tab on the back side that you press in to remove. This is how that connector looks. Oh, they have a little tab here. Here are the remaining spark plugs. These are the gaskets with the little tab. Now we have to connect this electrical connector first. This requires a long bolt. You have to tighten the manifold bolts in this order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse the procedure and install the final cover and you're all done.